Today's recipe, Halwa, for beginners. At first, take a non-stick pan. Add 2 tablespoons butter or ghee. When the butter is melted, add 2 cardamom, 2 cinnamon, 1 cup Suji or Semolina. You have to mix well. It is very necessary to mix the semolina with the butter thoroughly. It will take a little time to mix well. After some time, the semolina will change color. Then add 2 tablespoons powdered milk. Mix well. Add 3 cups water, but first mix 1 cup. Now mix another 2 cups. Mix well. Halwa is all about mixing all the ingredients properly. In this stage, add 3 tablespoons sugar. I try to eat healthy, so I have used less butter and sugar. You can add sugar as your taste bud. Almost done. Chop some almonds. Add the chopped almonds and some resins. Ready. Decorate with some chopped almonds and resins. Ready to eat. You can also enjoy with roti or tortilla or parathha.